2019 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, security system, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, power driver's seat. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.